I'd always been kind of interested in guns and shooting. I guess where I would say I was first introduced to long range shooting was actually reading about Carlos Hathcock. There's a number of books about him, you know, super famous sniper from Vietnam era. And I had read about him shooting in Palma competitions in Camp Perry, Ohio. And that's where I was like, oh, so there's like actual competitions for longer distance shooting, in addition to me recognizing that, you know, I could shoot further on our farm fields and stuff like that. And then just did a bunch of research online and ended up going to a competition just to kind of see what it was about. And I ran into Brian Litz at that competition. And I think how Brian would describe it is I was so serious about long range shooting, and I was trying to learn about it at such a high level as a 15, 16-year-old that when I first met Brian and was asking him questions, and like he saw the rifle that I kind of designed and built from scratch, he kind of took me under his wing, and I was kind of like an apprentice to him in a way. I was doing really well, especially for the junior age group, which I was in. In 2013, I won the junior world championship. I wasn't doing bad against the adults either. I was, placing right up there. So I had a lot to learn, but had a good start.